Today I'm going to show you guys how to mount a nice reed vise to your workbench. Alright, first things first, you will need a vise, a bench, a pencil, long drill bit, drill, and some bolts, and I got wing nuts and some washers. So I figured out where I want the vise on my bench. This is where it is, or where it will be. And I'm going to mark the mounting holes with the pencil so I know where to drill. And on the other side, same thing. And there's a third mounting hole in the back, but that one I've already marked and drilled because this weighs like 65 pounds and I don't want it going anywhere. So I'm going to move this now so I can drill the holes, and then we'll put the hardware in, and that'll be that. Alright, I've got a hole here and a hole here that I need to drill. I'm using a drill bit that is the right diameter for the bolts that I have. I'm going to drill right down through. Now there are 2x4s on the bottom side of the work surface here, so I'm going to drill through all the way through those to support the vise. Alright, one down, one to go. Rotate that back into place. Just close this so it's not hanging so far off. Balance a little better that way. Now I've got a 3/8 bolt and a washer that'll go down from the top. And then I've got a washer and a wing nut that'll go on the bottom. Same on the other side. Alright, I'll grab a wrench and tighten those up. All right. So we've got bolt, washer, drilled down through to the other side of the bench with another washer and a wing nut. So I've got 1, 2, 3. That is not going anywhere. So now I can use my nice vise. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching.